Hi, I am Rajesh Yogi, the Chief Technical Officer at WaveEdu Technical Team. As you know, we are discussing the concept of artificial intelligence. We want to know more about artificial intelligence. We also want to know more about WaveEdu application artificial intelligence. This is second video of the same series, the magic of generative AI. Today we are going to discuss the magic of generative AI. Let me recap the first video. In our first video, we established that AI, the artificial intelligence, uses rules, uses informations. Rules we call algorithm, information is we call data. So last video we discussed about algorithms and data. Few years ago, the game changed. We moved simply from analyzing to actually creating. Now the artificial intelligence is no more analyzing a data. Actually, the artificial intelligence is creating the new data, creating the new content and personalized content. The big question is, how does a computer generate a brand new original practice test or a unique essay? How in WaveEdu AI application we cater personalized tests for each and every student? This ability of machines is called Generative AI or GenAI. Unlike older AI that just classified or sorted data, like telling the difference between a cat and a dog, GenAI is actually something new. This new means GenAI can create new content. Let me explain you with an example. Let's say the old artificial intelligence was a brilliant book reviewer. You can request the old AI to review a book. But here with the new Gen AI or generative AI, it is like a new book writer. It does not copy, it generates. It generates based on patterns. It generates based on the feedback of the student. WaveEdu application works side by side to every child to make the child master for that project, master for that chapter. Now, let's discuss further about Gen AI. How these machines learn and create. Actually, the machines learn and create through massive amount of training data. At WaveEdu AI, we trained the application with massive tons of data. The AI reads or sees millions of examples, everything from classic to previous year's papers, or the pattern of the student, their structure, their choice of grammar. It's a pattern matcher. It learns what sequence of word is likely to follow another. allowing it to build coherent, creative content. The generative AI just need tons of data, and then by itself it start learning the pattern, start learning the behavior, start learning the data points, and next time you can ask GenAI to create a new content. Instantly the generative AI can create new content. Now, this is where generative AI, GenAI make WaveEdu so powerful. When your child asks for a study guide on Newton's law, the AI don't just pull a stored document. No, it generates a new one based on your child's previous knowledge, based on your child's previous pattern. If they need concept explained into a simple layman language, or in a fun, or in a short story, or in, let's say, short and sweet, or very formal way, whatever pattern you ask, GenAI just generate for your child. It's a personalized content and it's instant. So today what we have learned, generative AI, GenAI is a creator. It's not copy paste. GenAI can create new content, but it needs a very advanced engine to handle all that data and huge powerful digital brain. And where is the brain? Where is the brain of WaveEdu AI? In video 3, we are going to discuss the brain of WaveEdu AI. We are going to learn on machine learning. We are going to learn what's the difference between supervised and unsupervised machine learning. If you are new to this channel, please hit and subscribe to be updated on the latest content. Once again, I really want to say thank you to all of you to keep learning artificial intelligence. WaveEdu app is free and can be downloaded from App Store or Play Store. Apple users or iOS users, they can download from App Store, and all Android users, they can use Android Play Store, Google Play Store to download the freely available WaveEdu API. This WaveEdu app already running with 10,000 plus of practice questions. If you are IIT aspirant, if you are NEET aspirant, if you are preparing for engineering college, if you are preparing for your year 11 and 12, if you are from a science background, download the freely available app, WaveEdu app, and start practicing.